Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to today's BNB video update for Saturday 24th September. Now we're looking at BNB actually making some amazing pumps right now. So all they did is move to the upside, came down, move to the upside, came down again. You're trying to move up again. But you know, this still is in trouble. There's a little bit of trouble for BNB right now. And I'm just going to tell you what the problem really is with BNB. So if I dive into the daily time frame, look at the bigger picture, because it's important right now that you do have this left shoulder, you have the head, you have the right shoulder right over there. You actually did sort of like break the neckline previously, but now you're still under the neckline. So where's the neckline exactly? So here we are, and that's your neckline right over there. Okay, so right now you're under a great pressure, you're under the neckline. So from there to there, we're looking for BNB to basically drop to this price target, which is going to be down here to $235, and that's pretty much it for this update right now. However, keep in mind, if again you do something like this and you pump, break the neckline again, it's important to hold the neckline, because what happened here, I'm going to tell you, when you broke this neckline previously, you came for the retest, but you failed the retest. You can see you closed below the neckline. So it doesn't matter if you pump all of a sudden, but when you come down, you must hold the retest and not close below the neckline. And that's pretty much it for this update on BNB. Hope you enjoyed this very quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.